In this video, we're going to take a look at how students can create new documents from within Google Classroom. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Welcome back to iTech On Demand, and in this video, I want to talk about how students can create their work directly from Google Classroom from a Dropbox assignment. So we're logged into Google Classroom as a student and we're under the classwork tab. We're going to simply choose an assignment and select View Assignment. From here, if students wanted to create a Google slide presentation or create a Google Doc, they can simply select Add or Create in the top right corner, and then under Create New, they can choose to create a Google Doc, a Google Slide, Google Sheets, or Google Drawings. So I'm going to select Google Docs and show you guys how this works. So here it is going to create my Google Doc, and this will be saved inside the student's Google Drive automatically. Students will be able to click on the document. The document will automatically be named with the student's name and the name of the assignment, and students can go ahead and start working on the assignment right here. Just that simple. Notice in the top right corner, students can also click the Turn In button, and it will take them back to Google Classroom where they can submit their work. All right, so here we are, and students can simply select Turn In, and their work is submitted. Creating documents directly from the Google Classroom Dropbox can be simpler and easier for our students. This concludes the video tutorial on how students can create documents directly from the Google Classroom Dropbox.